Familiarize yourself with the 2011 Dodge Journey. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Top features include front dual-zone air conditioning, delay-off headlights, heated door mirrors, rear wipers, and a split-folding rear seat. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Dodge also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.